welcome to our monthly yoga sessions from the chair. So I would like to start with our usual meditation for 15 minutes or so. So lower your eyelids and just take a breather. Just take an inventory of, how your body is, what's stiff, how your breath is, whether it's shallow. I know the weight has got everybody's anxiety level up. So it's time to lower that heart rate. Close your eyes. Notice your breathing. And just let out a huge gulp of air from your nose. Just exhale 3 times, deep breath. And then exhale. And then one more time. Inhale and exhale. So for today's class in the new year, a lot of people have a lot of resolutions. For now, I want you to just be, not worry about those resolutions or what you should do or where you should go and how you should behave or whatever resolutions you have. Just be in this moment. Notice the chair or couch you're sitting on. Notice your feet grounded, your joints relaxed, your face and eyebrows relaxed. And your tongue relaxed in your mouth. And just notice your breathing. No need to do any specific type of breathing right now. Just noticing your inhales and exhales. Noticing the grounding of your feet. The stillness. Even though your body is still, your mind is active, and you should consciously try to relax the mind. And when you get a thought, acknowledge the thought and let it go. Not judging yourself for the thoughts. Even though we are still, our internal organs are working, our heart is beating, our liver is producing enzymes, and our kidneys are filtering out stuff that we don't need. Everything is constantly working. We just need to take a moment to just relax. There may be some noise in the background, so try to ignore the sounds. We can meditate even in crowded places like train stations or airports. we just focus inward rather than outward, because sometimes there's so much noise and we cannot take it away. That is life. When I go to Manhattan, there's so much noise, even in apartments where windows are closed. All those noises can increase our heart rate. But if we can go inward and just focus on our breath, we will be able to tune out those noises. Can't get my words straight today. Breathing, focusing on the breath coming out of the nostril, on your upper lip. Feel your chest rise and fall. Feel the breath nourishing your body. Breathing slowly but surely. And now we can open our eyes slowly, absorbing all the gifts that our eyes are able to see. And then just rubbing your hands, making some heat, and then placing it on your heart. So today we will start with warming our neck muscles. So first you should be centered with your eyes straight out, and then you can just tilt your head towards your right shoulder. Then look straight ahead and tilt your head towards the left shoulder, holding it, and then bringing it to center. Do it 2 more times. Head towards the right shoulder, holding it, bringing it to center, taking it to left side. Then looking down, then looking in center, and then looking up. Bringing it to center, taking it down, bringing it to center, taking it up. Bring to center, then down, bringing it to center. If you're hearing any clicking sounds, sometimes it can be a sign of arthritis or just morning stiffness. Keep an eye on it. All right, now starting in circles, we are going to go in small circles, going in one direction, then we are going in the other direction and coming back to the center. So You choose which side you want to go first. And then bigger and bigger circles, starting with a little penny, then going to the size of frisbee. This is warming up our neck muscles gently. And then going in opposite direction with large circle, starting out, and then going to smaller and smaller circles. All right, now we have warmed up our neck muscles. We are going to work on our shoulder muscles. So holding on to your chair, sit upright with good posture. Raise your shoulders up. Inhale and then exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale. Now do circular motions going from front to back of the whole shoulder joints, both sides. You can do it as slow as you want. And then going in opposite direction, feeling your muscles contract and release between your two scapula. They are in the back. They are part of your shoulder joint. They can get very tight with a lot of things, including sleep. All right. So now we are just going to do some exercises with our hands. May have to move a little bit in front because I have this machine here in front of me, behind me. And then you bring it forward, bring your shoulders down, then raise your arms up. Then bring it to center, bring it to side, and bring it down. Let's warm up again. Bring it to front, up as high as you can. And if there is pain, stop. You can bring it palms facing down and then back to chair. Okay, now let's add to that. We're going to bring it up, bring it prayer hands, and then we will make a dive down. This is called Surya Namaskar. If you can touch your toes, great. If you can't, that's okay. Just go as far as you can. Rest your belly on the thighs. Bring it up. Arms and hands in prayer, and then bring it down. Let's do it again. Surya Namaskar. Bring your hands up in prayer, and then dive down to touch your toes. Breathe out. Breathe in. Then breathe out again. And then going up. Bring your hands up. Bring to forehead, heart, and then down. Let's do it again. Bring your hands up in prayer. Dive down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Let go. And then come up again. You can do these many, many times in a day. Sometimes some people do 50 or 70 of these movements. They are going to improve your hip joint, your spine, and how you keep yourself erect in a good posture. Most of the injury we do to ourselves is with our bad posture, and so yoga really helps with our posture. All right, so we're going to do another movement where we bring our arms up, but this time we are going to move to the left side, and our eyes will be on our left shoulder. We bring it up, and then we go to the right shoulder, looking over. Bring it up, and then bring it down. We're going to try it again. Bring it up. Move to the right. Bring it up. Bring it to center. And bring it up your hands. Move to the left, looking at left shoulder with your eyes and beyond. Breathing out. Bringing your hands down. These exercises will really help your rotation of the spine, help your shoulder joints have good posture, and open up your chest muscles. We are going to do an exercise where you will bring yourself a little bit forward in your chair and bring your hands in the back and just hold and open your chest muscles. Just you can do your hands in this fashion in the back as much as you can. If you can't, that's fine. You can also hold your chair and just open your chest and then let it relax. Open your chest and let it relax. It's also like a cat-cow on the chair. Opening and relaxing. Opening and relaxing. Opening and relaxing. So we did our head, neck, shoulders, and our chest. Now it's time to work our abdomen. This is our core, and it is very important. It keeps us upright, and we don't have any bones here except the spine. So we have to do everything we can to keep the muscles strong in our core. So the best exercise I like is the ability to lift our legs. Hope I can show you my legs. It's a little bit hard the way I have my thing projected. I can move it a little bit more and show you. When we raise our feet and hold it there and breathe. This is also called a boat pose. And we can bring it down. You can also put your arms up like that. Breathe while you're doing it. Don't hold your breath. This is a good way to exercise our abdominal muscles. The other way is also to just hold our rectal muscles inside every time we exhale. That will internally strengthen your muscles in your pelvic area, because that tends to get loose with time. So these exercises you can do at home and help your abdomen and gain strength. If you do it from the floor, putting your legs up, then from the chair, you are going to get even more benefits of this, okay? Now, continuing on the abdomen and strengthening it is the poses that we do, which is what you see in all yoga magazines and web. This is the warrior pose. You have your left leg out and your right leg is in this fashion, and you're holding your arms out, and then you can gently bring your left arm up, looking at it. This is reverse warrior. You can hold a chair with your right hand, then bring your left hand back, right hand. It's like a straight line. Hold this till you feel a little burning in your muscles, and then you can bring it down. And you can do the same thing on the other side. Holding, and And then bringing it up like a warrior, reverse warrior, looking at your flag. And bringing your hands to prayer at your heart and your legs far apart. You're going to open your inner thigh muscles and just breathe. You'll use both your hands just to press on the knees, internal side of your knees, and just gently give a push. You will feel it in deep inside your abdomen and hip joint, and it's so good for you. You can do a mudra like this, holding your index finger like that, and breathe. And bring it to center. Continuing on our exercise from head to toe, we will now target our hip joint. I love this and I teach this every time to y'all. I know I have my shoes on today. I can't take them out here, but you see my shoes. I'm going to, inside my shoes, just pull my toes towards my knees. So you do the same in your home. You pull your toes towards your knees. Use your right hand on your right knee, inside of your right knee, and just gently, gently push on it. Have great posture and keep your spine straight and help just open up the muscles in your pelvis. Hold it and breathe. Don't hold your breath. Just hold the pose. Now we are going to do it on the other side. Hold it and breathe. Hold it and breathe. Feel the push. You can do this lying down also, and putting your legs up like that. It's really, really helpful. Okay. Now, if you're able to stand up, you can do a little bit of balance and just pick your bottom up from the chair for a little bit, just holding it. When you feel tired, you can sit down. Just hold it like this for 1 second or 2 seconds, as long as you can, then bringing it down. Do it again. Bring your bottom up, then bring it down. Bring your bottom up, then bring it down. This is a really good pose. You can do it also with your legs not far apart, together. Just hold it and bring it down. Just hold it and bring it down. How good this is. If you can master this pose, you can go to any Manhattan bathroom and not get any infection. So this is a very good pose. If you're able to do it, it will bring lots of strength to your body, your buttocks, your knees, your thighs, your abdomen. Everything gets strengthened. And this is called the chair pose. So you can do it sitting on the chair, or you can do it just sitting up just slightly from the chair. Try this. It's going to be very helpful for your all body strength, especially the knees. So I'm going from head to toe. So now we are up to our knees, and going down, we will just practice in getting our ankle joints. This is very hard to show, as I'm saying. Hopefully this works. My laptop doesn't fall off. Have the knee, take your toes up and then bring it down. Toes up and bring it down. This is going to help your ankle joints greatly. This is going to be very challenging for me because I have to bring it right up so I can show you. So it's better for me also. This is going to improve mobility of your ankle joint. And then if you can take it in a circular motion on one side and then on the other side, it's going to be very helpful. Okay. Much better. And I think that we will end the session with a relaxing corpse pose. You can just lower your eyelids and just let go. You don't have to think about breathing or anything, just you are integrating everything that you have done from head to toe today. Just relaxing your body and letting it go. Whatever thoughts come, that's great in your mind. You're just letting it go. In this portion, I try not to talk much because it's just a corpse pose where we just want to relax and just be not focused on breathing or anything, just feeling the nice tingling sensation of our body after exercising and getting our heart rate down to normal. You can open your eyes now and namaste.